In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a drop-down menu in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek navigation bar or just want to add some extra functionality to your site, adding a drop-down menu can be a great way to enhance the user experience. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to webflow.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard. You'll see a button labeled All Sites at the top of the page. Click on it. This will bring up a list of all the projects you've been working on, making it easy to access any site you've created. Now it's time to select the site where you want to add the drop-down menu. Simply click on the site name and it will open up in the Webflow Designer. This is your workspace where you can edit and customize your site to your heart's content. With your site open in the designer, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon labeled Add Element. Click on this to open the Elements panel. This panel is your toolbox containing all the elements you can add to your site, from simple text blocks to complex components like sliders and forms. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Dropdown. As you start typing, Webflow will filter the elements to match your search. Once you see the drop-down element appear, go ahead and click on it. This will add a basic drop-down menu to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your site in Webflow. From here, you can customize the drop-down menu to suit your design needs. You can adjust its styles, add interactions, and even configure its options to ensure it behaves exactly how you want it to. Remember, the beauty of Webflow is in its flexibility and the visual control it gives you over your design. Don't hesitate to explore the styling options to make your drop-down menu align perfectly with your site's design aesthetic. Play around with the various settings to get a feel for how you can tweak the appearance and functionality to best fit your needs. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now feeling confident about creating drop-down menus in Webflow. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Webflow. Happy designing!